Hello everyone. So this is the third video of Calibre. Till now we have learned how to do DRC, then LVS check, and now today we learn how to do the parasitic analysis. So basically PAX extracts the parasitics out of this layout. So we have drawn this layout by following all the PDK rules, but we'll have some parasitics due to which the performance of the layout will affect. So our aim here is to get those parasitics and to make it more closer to the practical value. Okay, so for that I am going to explain you the steps first. Basically this one is a cascode layout. I have drawn this above mouse in a multiple of 4 and then lower mouse and have connected accordingly and set the pin also. So now I'll just click on the caliber and then pack. After that, one window will pop up in which I need to provide few paths so that I can run it. So this is the first I need to provide the rules file. So for me this is the path for rule file, and for you it might be different, but most likely it is required to be here is calibre.rcx, and then I'll go to the input. Already that layout file is given here, and in netlist like earlier I'll use the source as I have did in the LVS and caliber and PAX, and this add at the end, and rest of the thing is fine, and it's like so extraction level in R and C, and here you can change the transistor level, gate levels, and then I'll run the PAX. So let's see. So PAX report is not generated yet. So this window has popped up. We need to provide few paths here. So first important thing is we need to provide the cell map path. So go to the browse and then caliber will be there. So here in caliber packs, and then this is the file which we need to provide, cell map. Open this and then change this caliber view type to schematic, and then create terminal, you just change it to create all terminals, and then device placement is added, and the open caliber cell view I'll keep it read mode, and then OK. So now this process will take time and then finally generate the PAX report and will show the parasitics as well. Finally here caliber file will get created. So let's see, it is going on, so we need to wait for some time. So here's the generated file, 0 errors. So if you zoom it out you can see the parasitics here. So these registers are there. Okay, so that's how you see all the parasitics which will get incorporated into this, and then you can also do the post layout simulation here. So how will you do that? Just click on this, and then after setting up any analysis we'll go to the environment, and here we'll type the caliber, and then we can simulate it for any of the analysis. So we can do the post layout simulation with this layout which is having all the parasitics. So that's it in the PAX. Thanks for watching.